Now there's some great assist functions to help you achieve perfectly exposed pictures into the GH6. Let's take a look at what functions are available. I'm Nick Driftwood. I'm going to be talking about assist functions. A vectorscope is used to measure colour, hue, saturation and luminance. On the LUMIX GH6 we bring up the vectorscope, selecting the vectorscope from the menu. You can analyse how much the colour saturation is by how long those lines are which are coming out from the centre of the scope. If your exposure signal and colours are right, the lines should remain inside that safe inner area. If you see excessive or oversaturated colours, you'll note that the lines will shift outside that safe area. You can get great looking skin tones if you zone in on a human face and the line remains between the red and yellow chip of the chart. And imagine if it was a clock, the skin tone line should normally be, the big hand would be between 10 and 11 o'clock. If it shifts to the red chip, it's going to look too red. And again, if it's too to the orange or yellow, then you can adjust it back, making adjustments with the contrast, brightness, saturation and hues within your photo style. Now let's talk about the waveform. We use the camera's waveform to measure and help us adjust exposure in the brightness scale using IRE percentages. As we stop down or up or add gain, we notice exposure changing. Each dotted line is broken up into 10% IRE increments, going from a scale of 0 black to 100% pure white, which are both denoted by a straight line. The pure line represents video safe 0 black. Now below that, below the bottom line, it's -7 IRE, then you're into the crushed black zone. The dotted line below 0 is -4% IRE under. Now anything above pure white 100% IRE is typically into the clipping zone of the highlights. Up to 109 IRE is denoted by the dotted line. We judge our image using the waveform from left to right in order for us to keep the image from clipping the highlights or crushing the shadows. Midtones fall as suggests in the middle of the scale. Now I'd like to talk about the Luminance Spot Meter. The Luminance Spot Meter function measuring is possible in the range -7% to 109% IRE. The Luminance Spot Meter zone will give you a reading in V-log of how many stops under or over middle grey you are. Now if you remember, middle grey is calculated as 0 stops, that is 42% IRE. And if you move that spot chip around the meter zone with your finger on the screen, anywhere on the LCD there, you can obtain a luminance reading in stops. Note, in other photo styles, you will get percentage readings rather than stops.
Panasonic.